Hello everyone and welcome back to the Dork side. I am the Dork on my Grom. Today we're going to go out and test fly, try to get some scenic footage with the new Mavic Air drone. That's right everyone, I am the Dork on the road and I want to be your internet riding buddy, and I'm better than your regular riding buddies because I'm available whenever you want and I come with a mute button. So please consider subscribing. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when I post awesome new content just like this. So I promise this is not turning into a drone channel, although that's tempting because it's really fun. But I want to get some practice in before I take the drone up in the woods and try to do some shots up there for adventure videos. So I figured it might be fun to go down to a local park by the river. It's not supposed to rain today, which is nice, and fly it up a little bit, get some scenic views, maybe even play around with the tracking shots and all that on the Grom. And so just don't get out on the Grom enough, so we're gromming it up right now. So that's good. I ordered a case for the drone. It came in the mail. It just came right before I left, so I put everything in there, so it's in my backpack, so that's awesome. And I'm rocking my new Revit Sand 3 gloves that I got for Christmas from my wife because I want to break them in. They fit perfect, which means just a little tight right now because they're brand new. So I got to stretch them out and get them to form to my hands before I really need them when I'm riding in the woods and stuff later on. So they're definitely summer gloves. My hands are a little cold right now, but we're not going very far. So anyway, I hope you all had a fabulous holiday and a wonderful new year. Hope 2020 is off to a fabulous start for you. So far, so good for me. I hope you enjoy just bringing you along with me on my journey as I figure out how to fly this drone and do drone things. We're out here at Bryant Park. I'll get some drone flying in today, theoretically. So I'll send the drone up, fly it around a bit, check out some scenic views of the Willamette River here in Albany as I learn to fly this thing. Well, thanks for coming along. Hope you enjoyed the video.
It's a little windy, so I'm slightly concerned, but I think it'll be okay. We're gonna take off.
right, well, that's going to do it for our drone flying adventure for today. So I'll cut the footage together into a sweet montage. Hopefully it looks as cool as it did on the drone. But I just want to say thanks for coming. I appreciate you. Hope you enjoy this slightly off-topic adventure as I learn how to use my new toy. But for now, I just want to say thanks for watching. As always, please don't forget to be excellent to each other. Thank you.
Excellent!
An inmate work crew is cleaning up some debris, some leaves. We're going to ride right through that, so that's going to be interesting. Fun obstacle to cross. Hopefully. Let's see if we get blown all to pieces. That guy wanted me to do a wheelie on wet leaves. Oh, also, I don't know how, so there's that.